Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, this is Lo from Lo App Design. So today, in less than 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use the Follow Me tool. For the purpose of the demonstration, I am going to create a little house with no roof or nothing, just easy. So rectangle, walls, I am going to make a door. And then we are going to make a window, like a square one, and a little rounded window. Okay, so let's get started. Create the door with a push-pull tool. All right, then, excuse me. And let's create one window. And we are going to create the second window. So same thing, push-pull tool. Then circle tool. Create the window. And then push-pull. Double click on the push-pull tool because I didn't change the distance I wanted it to go. So I made a video on the push-pull tool and how to create windows. I'll link it here so you can go and have a look at it if you wanted to. Very, very easy tool to use as well, and that's a tool you want to know how to use. Okay, so for now, we are going to use the Follow Me tool. In order to make it easy on me, and then because everything should be grouped anyways in your model, I am going to group the floor, and then I am going to group the walls. That will be very, very, I mean, that's just, it has to be grouped anyways. But that's what's actually is going to make it easier to see my selection in order to use the Follow Me tool. Okay, so I'm creating my groups, I'm creating my tags. Okay, tagging the floor, making sure it disappears if I don't want to see the tag anymore. Then I'm going to tag my walls, select everything because that's all I have left of my model once I took the floor off. So select everything, create a group, go back to my tag window, keying walls, or however you want to name it, then tag it. Okay, click the little eye icon, disappears and comes back. Okay, so now we can go to the reason why we are here. So the reason why we are here is I want to create some trims at the bottom of that wall. Okay, so I take my line tool and I draw a line everywhere I want those trims to be applied. I'm making sure that the lines are linked together. If I take a corner, and then so I'm drawing all along. There you go. So my trims are going to go there. To make it easy to select, I click on the little eye icon of my tag to to make my walls disappear. So click there. Then I'm going on in my 3D warehouse, and I am going to select a trim, any of them, just to show you how to do that as well. I'll show you another way a little bit later. So pick up a trim, any trim. Okay, this one is good. Yeah, that one looks good enough. So download it to your model. Okay, then it comes in. Okay, I don't need the whole trim. I just need actually the end of it. So explode the group as it came as a group, then grab the little piece I want, which is only that one. Okay, and then take it. So I have to group it again in order to be able to move it and rotate it as I wish. So I take it exactly where I want it to start on my lines. Okay, and then you must ungroup because you can't use making sure first. I'm sorry, making sure first that the size is okay. Then so you have to ungroup it because you can't use the Follow Me tool if your trim is grouped. Okay, I don't need that anymore. So do a little bit of cleanup and get rid of it. So now let's select the lines I drew a little bit earlier, all of them. And once they're all blue, go to the Follow Me tool, click and see the magic. Click on the Follow Me tool and click on that little trim I just imported and boom, done. That was easy. The corners are perfectly done. The angles are perfectly done. And then just take your walls back, going back to your tag window. And here you go. So let's do the same thing with the little window. So bring the window, draw, take your line tool, draw your lines, sorry, around your window. And because you are going to draw exactly around the window, that's going to create a face. So your window will disappear, doesn't matter. Just click on the face, delete. You deleted the face, you didn't delete the lines. Okay, so select your lines. But before doing that, I'm sorry, just create your trim. So here I just want one of those modern, beautiful rectangular trims. So I'm just drawing a rectangle, 3 inches by 1 or whatever the dimension you want. Group it, move it. It has to be put perpendicular to the line you want it to go from. Okay, so group it, take it exactly where you want it to start. And there you go. Ungroup the rectangle. And then, oh yeah, I'm sorry. I decided I was going to make a little design just to show you that anything can be done, right? So let's select the lines we draw a little bit earlier. There you go. All of them are blue. So now follow me tool and then click, and there you go. Your window casing has been put on. Angles are perfect, and it's nice, I think. So let's do it on a rounded window, like a circle. So same thing. We are going to draw a circle in this case. So go to the center of your circle, up, and then draw your circle where you want it to be. It has to be, of course, around perfect size to fit in your window. Create a group, rotate. So you put it exactly where it has to be. There you go. Then you take your walls away. You ungroup your circle. So explode. And then select. And I'm going to create a shape, any shape, to show you that really the follow me tool can be used with anything. So same thing, create your shape, group it, adjust it exactly where and as you want it to be. Okay, it has to be perpendicular to your initial window or wall or whatever. There you go, and then grab it, put it on the line, perpendicular, perfect, ungroup it. Then you select your lines, follow me tool, and boom. There you go. So it's that easy. I mean, I could show you on anything you want, but at the end of the day, it's the same process. The follow me tool is extremely easy to use. The only thing you want to make sure is that your lines are all connected. If they are not connected, that's not going to work. But if your lines are connected, then the follow me tool will just be working very, very easily. I hope that helped. I'm sorry for my voice. I have a bad cold. Yes, I hope that helped, and I will see you for another quick and easy tutorial pretty soon. Bye bye.